Hi friends, welcome to SGK English for a new video. Today let us learn article. The article that we study is a, an and the. See, what is meant by article? What is meant by article? Article is a part of speech, you see, which shows the limits of a noun. It speaks about a noun. It shows the limit of a noun. What is meant by that? Not the meaning of a noun, but the limit of a noun. That means how much it is. In a way, it is an adjective because it speaks about a noun. So, it is a part of speech. See, parts of speech, noun up to, interjection. It is also a part of speech which shows, article shows the limit of a noun. Whether it is a special, a general, particular, etc. and etc. So, what is an article? It is a part of speech, parts of speech. Okay now. So, which shows the limits of a noun. That is what an article is. See, so in a way, it is an adjective because it speaks about a noun. So, all articles are adjectives. That is not our topic. So, as per your text and textual grammar, what is given only that we are studying. Okay, it is 6th class, unit 3, page 44-45. What is told in that textbook that we study today. For a detailed study, go to SGK English. 2 videos are there, article part number 1 and part 2. Okay, so here we see, 2 articles are there. One is definite article and one is indefinite article. Definite means particular. When you speak about something particularly, the book that is on the table, particular book. Whereas a book means any book. I repeat, the book means a particular book. A book means any book. Okay, so definite article, the indefinite article, a or an. The difference between a and an is that, see, an is used with, a is used with consonants and an with vowels. An, with the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds, not letters. So, an with vowels. So, there is no difference between a and an. Only difference is that a with consonants. A for apple. Okay, na? A for apple, B for boy. Okay, whereas an with vowels. An umbrella. An umbrella. Is it not so? Yes. So, A, E, I, O, U. Meaning is same, one and the same. A and an, meaning is one and the same. Only difference is that A with consonants, you see, and an with vowels. A, E, I, O, U is a vowel sounds. Okay, na? The remaining all, consonants. Okay, na? Yes. So, when this a or an is used, when it is used, remember this, before countable noun singular. This is the most important rule. This is a or an should be used before a noun which is countable, which means which can be counted. Okay, now, how many boys are there? 5. See, boys can be counted. Can you say how many water is there? No, it is uncountable. Is it not so? Uncountable. How many air is there? Can you say? No, it is uncountable. How many sands are there? No, it is uncountable. So, before uncountable nouns, this won't be used, only for countable nouns. Countable noun, singular. but we can use with uncountable noun if it speaks about quantity. Quantity. I cannot say a water, but I can say a bucket of water, a glass of water, a drop of water. When quantity is mentioned, a or an can be used. Okay, so a or an used before a countable noun singular. You see, you cannot say that I want a book. I want either a book or two books. See, a means okay, one is the meaning. An umbrella means one umbrella. Okay, now. So, or I want a book or two books. If it is singular, countable noun, if it is a singular, either a or an must be used. Okay, now, what is given in your textbook is this, before singular common noun. Common noun singular. Okay, now, an, I mean before vowels and a before, see, consonants. A for consonants and an for vowels. Common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a noun, the name of a noun, name given in common. Common noun is a name given in common. For example, teacher, you see, soldier, student, friend. See, common noun now. There is no name but a common. So, name given in common to every person or thing of the same kind. That is common noun. Okay, now. Father, mother, sister, brother, all common nouns. Soldier, teacher, uncle, all common nouns. So, in your textbook what is told is this. It's also correct. But commonly this is the main use. Okay, now. Commonly this is the main use. So, you study what is in a textbook, 6th class children. Okay, before singular common noun. See, for example, he is a teacher. Isn't it so? Yes. Like that you have to use common noun. So, common noun singular, you have to use a or an. See, an with vowels and a with consonants. Okay, now that is what is given in your textbook. Okay, so this is the use of a or an. Now we are coming to definite article the. Okay, now once see whether it is clear to you. Okay. Now let us see the use of indefinite article the. This is clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, common noun. You see, before singular common noun. If it is a consonant, it is a scholar, a chair, a man, a donkey. If it is vowel, it is an apple, an Asian, an and, an orange. See, a and an both are same. Only difference is that with the vowel you have to use an, with the consonant you have to use a. So, common noun singular, you have to use either a or an if it is singular. Now comes the use of the. More rules you have to study. The rules of more rules you have to study about indefinite article the. Number 1, a common noun when told a second time. A common noun when it is told a second time. You see, I saw a dog. I saw a dog. See, a dog means any. I don't know what it is. A dog for the first time I saw. You see, when I say it first time I have to use a dog. I saw a boy. You see, I saw a dog. The dog was barking. I saw a dog and the dog was barking. I saw a boy. The boy was from Rajamandri. I saw a boy and the boy. I saw a boy. The boy was from Vijayawada. Okay. I saw a boy means any boy. See, common noun, boy, girl, man, woman, anything, no problem. So, I saw a boy and the boy about whom I told just now, a boy I saw. The boy was from Vijayawada. Yes. So, common noun when told a second time. See, first time A, second time the. The boy was from. The dog was. Okay. The girl was. I saw a girl. The girl was very clever. Like that. Before superlatives. Already studied degrees of comparison. Superlative degree. The best, the tallest, the highest, the cleverest, yes, the largest, the best. Very simple. With the superlative, you must always use the. Because only one is there, no? The tallest, the cleverest, see, the most beautiful, the most intelligent. So in that way, you have to use the with the superlative degree. Number 3, before ordinal numbers. Ordinal number shows the order, the first, the second, the third. Cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. You studied mathematics, is it not so? Yes, the first, the second, see, the first boy, the second boy, the third boy, okay. Showing the order, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. With that, the should be used. Number 4, before names of musical instruments. I like to play the guitar, the violin, okay, the harmonium. Before musical instruments, you have to use definite article the. Okay, now number 5, before nouns when we mean something particular. That is what the is meant for, something particularly. See, for example, the Raman effect, or generally, see, gold is a precious metal, but the gold that we get from Andhra Pradesh, the gold particularly meant. See, some example given here. The Raman effect, the radio, the TV, something particularly meant, that should be used. And number 6, with unique things. Unique means unequaled. There will be only one. The sun, the moon. You see, all the planets, stars, the seas, rivers, the Nile. Is it not so? The Pacific. You see, the Arabian Sea. Only one is there by that name. By that name, only one is there. Unique means unequaled. There will be only one. The sun means only one, no? Yes, the moon or anything like that. When there is only one and only one, the Himalayas, the Everest, you see, the Everest mountain, only one by that name. That is called unique means unequaled. No, nothing is there as equal as that. There is only one by that name, the sun, the moon. Like that, okay now? So, unique things, for example, what is it? The sun, the moon, several things are there, no? A name is given to it. The Nile, the Kaveri. Like that, the Krishna, okay. So, Krishna river only one is there by that name, okay. Rivers are many, but Krishna river is only one, the Krishna, okay. You can say, like that, river, last 7th one, before names of awards, the Nobel Prize, you see, the Bharat Ratna, the Vishishta Seva medal, okay. So, something like that, before awards also you must use the definite article the. Okay, now. So, 7 U's are there in your textbook. What are they once again? All simple. Really, number 1, a common noun when told a second time. I saw a boy. The boy was from Rajasthan. Okay. Before superlatives, the first, the largest, the best, the tallest, the cleverest, the most intelligent. Like that. Number 3, before ordinal numbers, first, second, the first boy, the first prize, okay. Then before names of musical instruments, the guitar, the violin, the harmonium, okay, like that. Before nouns when we mean something in particular, specially, particularly, that must be used. Before unique things, when there is only one by that name, only one will be there by that name. Sun is only one now. The earth, of course, you can say. The earth, is it not so? Uranus, Neptune, all you can say now. Venus, all you can say. Then before names of awards, the Nobel Prize, the Bharat Ratna. So these are the 7 uses of definite article the. I hope it is clear to you. I request you to subscribe if you have not and give me a like and support me and enable the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.